How to use eBay Global Shipping Program. Well, to use eBay Global Shipping Program GSP or eBay International Shipping EIS, sellers will have to opt in via account settings, then ship items to a domestic hub rather than directly to the buyer. eBay manages international customs, shipping, and tracking, reducing seller liability for international transit. Well, how you can do so, if you are a seller and you are creating a listing on ebay.com, right? So eBay seller here, if you're creating and listing, then what you want to do is select the global shipping program in the shipping policy section. Then when an item sells internationally, mail the package to the designated domestic shipping hub provided by eBay. Ensure the unique reference code is included. Once the item reaches the hub, eBay takes over the international shipping, tracking, and custom clearance. Items must typically be under 44 lbs, that is 20 kg to 30 kg depending on location, and under specific value limits, that is $2,000 or $2,500. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.